Hi, I'm Shelley, and I am running a session of Paint the Funk Out in West Seattle on inauguration night as an alternative to sitting at home and stressing. So, this is a wonderful way where we can use creativity to help us release some pent-up emotion. And what I want to do for this video is just show you a little demo painting that I did in a previous session of Paint the Funk Out. So as you can see, there's a lot of activity going on in the background here. These yellowy, greenish, brownish tones. And I started out doing that because the first stage is all about physical release of your emotions. So we use the canvas as a an instrument of catharsis, a punching bag, if you will, a beautiful punching bag. And we get it out on the canvas. And it's really, really satisfying to essentially beat the paintbrush onto the canvas and, not worry about what it looks like because process painting, which is the technique that we use during Paint the Funk Out, process painting is not about making it look good. Process painting is about being in the present with your emotion and releasing whatever is inside of you through your creativity and getting it onto the canvas. Everyone has a different interpretation and style for that, and we don't dictate anything. We try to be without the mind. We try to be just in the moment of our emotions. So we start out very, very active, and then we get into some of the middle stages, which is about exploring mostly emotion and thought through line. So I ask students to essentially find a color that relates to how they're feeling. And then I give them different prompts to create some meaningful lines with that color. The character of the line is something that I understand about myself. And then at the end, the last step is that we put on a power symbol. This is my personal symbol for goddess. And so the feeling that I wanted out of this painting is that I can still feel like a goddess when I have all of this rattling and all of this emotion about certain things. So that's a quick example. We will also be doing meditation because I want to help you get it all out and then I want to soothe your system. And there's some wonderful, wonderful, very simple techniques with breathing and guided imagery that we can give a wash of love to your nervous system and leave you and have you leave the class purified and really wrapped up in love. We will also be doing body-based therapy in the form of somatic release. And what I mean by that is different physical exercises that can also help our nervous systems calm down and release anger. The main thing that I'm going to be focusing on in this class is the release of anger, healthy release of anger. And more importantly, silent, healthy release of anger, because that can really make a difference when we are in situations where we don't have a lot of time or privacy. So, if this resonates with you, please go to shelleyirish.com and register. I would love to have a final head count on Friday, January 17th. But I don't want that to restrict you from coming. So if you register after that, no problem. And hope to see you there. And whatever you do that night, take care of you, take care of your heart, and be soft and strong. Sending